everyone, welcome to a brand new Railfan video. Now you guys might have thought that the other Railfan video was going to be my last one in the Niagara region. Well, I kind of wanted to do some extra shots before I leave. But, here are some of the 3 trains that I caught throughout this week, since the next 2 days I'm going to be extremely busy. So, on the image here we have CN A421, going from Toronto to Port Robinson. But this is not the first 421 that we're going to be looking at. No, sir. But the 421 that we're going to be looking after this image is going to be the first one that we're looking at. Speaking of the first 421, let's actually skip ahead and see what 421 had for the power that I caught a couple days ago. Here we go. The first 421 that me and the Central CN Railfan have caught for this week. This 421 is led by 2343, an ES44DC, not a teardrop cab though. Trailing second is SD75I 5736. And trailing last with no distributed power whatsoever being 8891, an SD70M-2 with a DC traction motor. Because for some reason, SD70M-2s, which were the first EMD created series from Electromotive Division, being the SD70M-2, with their DC traction motors. Somehow, SD70 Aces are the ones that have an AC traction motor. That's why the SD70 Aces have that so-called rectangular side vent along the sides. While for SD70M-2s, we see the vent going vertically, not horizontally. This video was recorded at Swayze Drive on the 1st of August at 10:32 a.m. The next train in this video is Via 98, going from New York City all the way up to Toronto. This Maple Leaf was actually led by Amtrak 101, a P42DC. Although the Amtrak was just sitting in the station, it wasn't moving at all anywhere. It wasn't departing the station until 5:45. So basically I just watched the Amtrak from afar, just sitting in the station, doing nothing. But I had to go home either way. So if you guys want to look at it, well, here's the clip. Quick glimpse of the Maple Leaf Amtrak in Niagara Falls GO station. Niagara Falls GO and Via station, I should say. Wow. Alrighty, for our last and final CN, A421, going from Toronto to Port Robinson, as always. I'm going to miss the falls. Although I'm going to be seeing a lot of CP trains up in Ignace. And I might do some tiny bit of rail fanning in Port Arthur or Thunder Bay in general. Maybe Dryden too. I don't know. Anyways, leading this train is CN 8899, an EMD SD70M-2. Trailing second is 8885, another EMD SD70M-2. For our last and final trailer of this EMD-powered train is 8821, another EMD SD70M-2. In which I got a really awesome P5 horn salute from afar, actually. Well, that is going to conclude for today's last Railfan video here in the Niagara region for real this time. I am coming back on the 2nd of September, but there's not going to be much Railfanning to do because school's coming back up soon. So, I will see you all when I Railfan in Ignace, or just Northern Ontario in general. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, this is Aries O'Neill, TCSNR, signing off. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye, folks.